Worried of thieves and burglars at home? D3D presents D10 security alarm system. With dual communication mechanism Wi-Fi and GSM. Complete security solution and home automation in one system. Motion sensor. Door and window sensor. Fire sensor. Wireless doorbell. Control home light and other applications. Mobile app to control home security. Easy wireless installation and configuration. Just install the mobile app. Attach sensors and system is ready to use. Be safe, be informed 24/7, D3D, making home safe and secure.